So what are the different types of auto insurance coverage? So let's go into 3 different types. Number 1 is garage only coverage. Number 2 is liability only. And number 3 is full coverage. Now let me break them down for you a little bit more in depth. So garage only, that is what we call comprehensive only. That is the only thing on that policy that covers you for theft and vandalism. That's about it. Maybe some hail, weather related, hail damage as well. But that's if the car is not running, it's staying in a garage. It's like a sports car that you don't use at all in the wintertime. It's not driven. Because the moment that thing is driven, then you could have a liability issue if there's an accident, because there's no liability coverage on that car. The second one is liability only. That's when you have an older car. It's not worth that much money. You don't want to pay for extra cost of insurance for protecting your own car, but you have to cover someone else if there's an accident. So liability only has a liability piece. If you're deemed at fault in an accident, your insurance company will cover you, but it will not pay you to get your car fixed. You're on your own on that. That's on your dime. Now, the third one is the most probably complicated, and that's full coverage, because full coverage means different things to different people. But to keep it simple, full coverage has both liability, so we're protecting you financially, legally, if you're in an at-fault accident, and it has the comprehensive and collision coverage, which will pay for repairs on your car. And those typically come with a deductible, say it's $500. So accident costs $10,000, State Farm or Allstate or American Family or your company will pay $9,500 to the body shop. You pay $500 out of pocket. That's how that works. Now, different endorsements to full coverage. They have rental car coverage. Do you want a rental car while your car's at the shop? We have death and dismemberment, almost like a life insurance policy within that type of car insurance. Medical payments, that's typically added too. You and your passengers are covered medically if there are bills to pay or if you're transported to the hospital, all that would kick in. So it's important to discuss full coverage with your local agent because, again, what's in your mind might be different than what's in their mind. So please make sure that you guys are on the same page when it comes to full coverage. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe to it, give me a follow. Appreciate it.